The sun begins to rise, painting the sky in beautiful shades of red and orange. As the first light of dawn breaks through the horizon, it casts a magical glow over the field of roses. The first light touches the earth, bringing a gentle warmth that slowly spreads across the landscape. The roses, kissed by the morning light, begin to awaken from their slumber. The air is cool and fresh, filled with the promise of a new day. There's a feeling of something new about to begin, a sense of renewal and hope that permeates the atmosphere. And the wonderful smell of roses fills the air, their fragrance carried by the gentle morning breeze. It's a scent that invigorates the senses and brings a sense of peace. Rows and rows of red roses stretch out as far as you can see, creating a breathtaking sea of color. Each rose, with its vibrant hue, adds to the stunning panorama. Each rose is perfect, like a tiny work of art, meticulously crafted by nature. The delicate petals, the rich color, and the intricate details make each bloom unique. Soft, velvety petals open up to welcome the sun, basking in its warm embrace. The roses come alive, their beauty fully revealed in the morning light. The field looks like a sea of red, touched by the soft colors of the sunrise. It's a sight that captures the heart and soul, leaving a lasting impression. This isn't just any field, it's a special place, full of amazing smells and vibrant colors, a place where the beauty of nature is on full display, a place where nature's beauty is carefully looked after, where each rose is tended with love and care. It's a testament to the dedication and passion of those who cultivate these blooms, because here, among these fragrant blooms, is where the journey of a luxurious perfume begins. Each rose contributes to a symphony of scents, creating a fragrance that is both timeless and unforgettable. Fields of amazing smells. The world of luxury perfume stretches across the globe, from the rolling hills of Grasse, France, to the sunny valleys of Bulgaria. Each place, with its own special weather and soil, gives the roses a unique quality. Growing these special flowers is a skill passed down through many years. Farmers with experienced hands and wise eyes take care of their fragrant treasures. They know just the right amount of sun, water, and good soil the roses need. Their knowledge makes sure there are plenty of the best quality roses. As the full moon shines in the night sky, it's time to harvest the roses. It's important to pick them at just the right moment, when their smell is the strongest. Under the soft moonlight, workers move through the fields. They move with practiced, gentle hands. Each flower is picked carefully, as if it were a precious jewel. There's a quiet energy in the air. Everyone feels a deep respect for the gifts of the earth. The amazing journey from petal to precious oil begins. Each morning as the sun rises, the fields come alive with the vibrant colors and intoxicating scents of blooming roses. The picked flowers are quickly taken to nearby buildings. Workers move swiftly, ensuring the delicate petals remain fresh and intact. Here, the magic of taking the scent from the flowers happens. The flowers are carefully placed into a distillation apparatus, where the process of extracting their essence begins. One of the best ways is steam distillation, a very old method that gently pulls the fragrant oils from the petals. This method has been used for centuries, preserving the purity and potency of the essential oils. The steam, filled with the wonderful smell of the roses, rises through different chambers. As it travels, it carries with it the very essence of the flowers. As it cools down, it turns back into water and precious essential oil. This transformation is a delicate process, capturing the true spirit of the roses. Rose oil, the most special of essential oils, is very valuable. Its rich aroma and therapeutic properties make it highly sought after in the world of perfumery and aromatherapy. It takes thousands of roses to make just one drop. This labor-intensive process highlights the dedication and expertise required to produce such a precious substance. This precious liquid holds the true heart of the flower. Each drop is a testament to the beauty and complexity of nature. Its amazing smell shows the artistry of nature and the skill of the people who work with it. The final product is a harmonious blend of natural beauty and human craftsmanship, a true treasure in a bottle. Meet the master perfumer, sometimes called the nose, an artist who works with scents. They have a natural talent for understanding fragrance. They mix essential oils, creating a beautiful blend of smells. They have many scents to choose from the sweet smells of rose and jasmine to the warm, woody scents of sandalwood and cedarwood. They think carefully about each ingredient and its place in the final perfume. The master perfumer is like a musician creating a complex mix of top, middle, and base notes. Each layer of the fragrance unfolds over time. Patience is key. The new perfume isn't ready yet. It needs time to develop. This important aging process lets the different scents blend together and become richer. The perfume is kept in large containers, sometimes for many months, and slowly changes. Like a fine wine, it becomes more complex and interesting. The master perfumer checks on it often, smelling the fragrance at different times, making sure it reaches its full potential. Only then is it ready for the final step. The final step is a celebration of the senses, a culmination of artistry and passion. The finished perfume is carefully poured into beautiful bottles, each one a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship involved. Each bottle is a work of art, designed with intricate details that reflect the essence of the fragrance within. Made from the finest crystal, the bottles are designed to show off the precious liquid inside, capturing light and enhancing the allure. Their elegant shapes and beautiful details show how luxurious the perfume is, making each bottle a collector's item. Finally, the bottle is topped with a beautifully made cap, a final touch of elegance that completes the presentation. The finished perfume is more than just a scent. It's a masterpiece, a symbol of luxury and sophistication. It shows the dedication and artistry of many people, from the designers to the artisans who bring the vision to life. From the farmers who grow the roses to the master perfumers who work their magic with scent. Every step is crucial. It's a journey for your senses, an invitation to experience the world in a new way through the lens of luxury and elegance, and a lasting reminder of the beauty that can be created when nature and human skill come together, crafting something truly extraordinary.